What if I told you that you don't need thousands of euros to start investing? In fact, with just 100 euros, you can begin building a portfolio that has the potential to grow over time. Yet many people never get started because they believe investing is complicated, risky, or only for wealthy individuals. The truth is that investing has become more accessible than ever before. With a smartphone, an internet connection, and a small amount of money, almost anyone can start investing today. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners can start investing with just 100 euros. Let's get started. One of the biggest myths in personal finance is that investing is only for rich people. People often think they need thousands of euros sitting in their bank account before they can begin investing. Because of this belief, they spend years waiting for the perfect moment to start. But here's the reality. The amount you start with is far less important than the habit of investing consistently. Someone who invests 100 euros every month for many years will often outperform someone who waits years before making a large investment. The secret isn't having a lot of money. The secret is starting early. Before investing, it's important to understand what the stock market actually is. The stock market is a place where investors buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you're purchasing a small ownership stake in a business. That means when the company grows, expands, and becomes more profitable, the value of your investment can increase as well. Some companies may also pay dividends, which are payments distributed to shareholders from company profits. Over the long term, the stock market has historically been one of the most effective ways to grow wealth. Of course, investments can go up and down in value, but many investors focus on the long-term potential rather than short-term market movements. Now, if you're a beginner, you might be wondering what exactly you should invest in. One of the most popular options is something called an ETF. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Think of an ETF like a basket filled with many different investments. Instead of buying shares of just one company, an ETF allows you to invest in dozens, hundreds, or even thousands of companies at the same time. This helps spread your risk. If one company performs poorly, the others in the ETF can help balance things out. That's why many financial experts recommend ETFs as a simple starting point for beginner investors. The next step is opening an investment account. Today, this process is easier than ever. Many investment platforms allow you to create an account directly from your smartphone or computer. You'll typically need to provide some basic information, verify your identity, and connect your bank account. The entire process can often be completed within a few minutes. Once your account is approved, you're ready for the exciting part, making your first investment. At this stage, you can deposit your 100 euros and choose the investment you want to buy. This might feel intimidating at first. Many beginners worry about choosing the wrong investment or investing at the wrong time. But remember, every successful investor started exactly where you are now. The most important thing is taking that first step. Your first investment doesn't need to be perfect. What matters is beginning your journey. Now let's talk about something even more important than your first investment. Consistency. Many people focus on finding the perfect start. But long-term investors understand that consistency often matters far more. Imagine investing 100 euros every month. Month after month. Year after year. Over time, those contributions can add up significantly. Thanks to compound growth, your money may begin generating returns on previous returns. This is one of the most powerful forces in investing. The earlier you start, the more time compounding has to work in your favor. That's why many successful investors focus less on timing the market and more on spending time in the market. So let's quickly recap. You don't need thousands of euros to begin investing. You can start with as little as 100 euros. Learn the basics of the stock market. Consider diversified investments, such as ETFs. Open an investment account. Make your first investment. And most importantly, stay consistent. Building wealth rarely happens overnight. It's usually the result of small actions repeated over a long period of time. The best day to start investing was years ago. The second best day is today. Start small. Stay patient. Stay consistent. And let time work for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future